To configure Google Analytics Universal Analytics Setup, start by creating a Google Analytics account if you haven't already. Go to the Google Analytics website and sign in with your Google account. Click on the Sign Up button and fill out the required information, including your website name, website URL, and industry category. Next, you will receive a unique tracking ID, which is used to identify your website in Google Analytics. This tracking ID should be installed on every page of your website, typically in the header or footer section. You can do this by copying and pasting the Google Analytics tracking code into your website's HTML. After setting up the tracking code, you need to configure your view settings. A view is a way to segment your data in Google Analytics, such as by country, language, or device type. To set up a view, go to the Admin section and click on the View column. Then, click on the Create View button and select the type of view you want to create. One of the most important settings in Google Analytics is the goal setup. A goal is a specific action you want your website visitors to take, such as filling out a form or making a purchase. To set up a goal, go to the Admin section and click on the Goals column. Then, click on the New Goal button and follow the instructions to set up your goal. Another key feature in Google Analytics is event tracking. Event tracking allows you to track specific actions on your website, such as button clicks or video plays. To set up event tracking, you need to add a small piece of code to the element you want to track. To get the most out of Google Analytics, it is also important to set up e-commerce tracking. E-commerce tracking allows you to track transactions and revenue on your website. To set up e-commerce tracking, go to the Admin section and click on the E-commerce Settings column. Finally, to ensure your Google Analytics setup is accurate and reliable, make sure to test your tracking code and goal setups regularly. You can do this by using the Google Analytics Debugger tool or by checking your reports for any discrepancies. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up a robust and accurate Google Analytics Universal Analytics setup that provides valuable insights into your website traffic and behavior. This will help you make informed decisions to improve your website and increase conversions.